Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a payment method on Amazon. Step by step, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Amazon app or go to amazon.com on your browser and log into your account. Step 2. Tap or click on the menu icon 3 lines, then go to Your Account. Step 3. Scroll down and select Your Payments under the Payments section. Step 4. Now you'll see your wallet, including all saved credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Step 5. Find the payment method you want to remove and tap or click on Edit or the 3-dot icon next to it. Step 6. Choose Remove and confirm the deletion when prompted. Step 7. That's it. The payment method will be deleted from your Amazon account. Note: you cannot delete a default payment method unless you add another one first. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.